So hello everyone, this video is about indeterminate and L'Hopital rule. So indeterminate form is a mathematical expressions that we cannot be able to determine the original value even after the substitution of the limits. So there are 7 types of indeterminate forms. First is 0 over 0, and second is infinity over infinity, and third is infinity times 0, and fourth is infinity minus infinity, and fifth is 0 to the power of 0, and 6 is 1 to the power of infinity, and last is infinity to the power of 0. So example, evaluate each limits if limits of x approaches to x squared plus x minus 6 over x squared minus 3x plus 2. So first, we need to identify what types of indeterminate forms of this example. So limits of x approaches of 2 x squared plus x minus 6 over x squared minus 3x plus 2. So substitute the value of x into 2. So 2 squared plus 2 minus 6 over 2 squared minus 3 times 2 plus 2 is equals to 0 over 0. So by using this formula, limits of x approaches of c, f prime of x over g prime of x is equals to limits of x approaches of c, f of x over g of x is equals to limits of x approaches of 2 x squared plus x minus 6d over dx over x squared minus 3x plus 2d over dx is equals to 2x plus 1 over 2x minus 3. So substitute the value of x into 2. So 2 times 2 plus 1 over 2 times 2 minus 3 is equals to 5 over 1 or equals to 5. So another example, evaluate each limit if limits of x approaches of 0, e to the power of 2x minus cos x over x. So as like what I said, so we need to identify first what type of indeterminate forms. So in this example, the indeterminate forms is 0 over 0. So by applying L'Hopital rule, so limits of x approaches of 0, a to the power of 2x minus cos x d over dx over x d over dx is equals to e to the power of 2x times 2 plus sin x over 1. So by using substitution, limits of x approaches of 0 to a to the power of 2 times 0 plus sin times 0 over 1 is equals to 2 over 1 or 2. So, and that's all. Thank you.